How to choose the perfect rug for your home decor. Dear friends, finding the perfect rug for your home decor can completely transform the look and feel of your space. A well-chosen rug adds warmth, style, and personality to any room. But with so many options available, selecting the right rug can sometimes feel confusing. The first step is to consider the size of the rug. A rug that is too small can make a room look disconnected, while a properly sized rug helps tie the furniture together. For example, in a living room, the rug should be large enough to fit at least the front legs of the sofa and chairs. Next, think about the material of the rug. Wool rugs are durable and comfortable, making them great for living rooms and bedrooms. Cotton rugs are lightweight and easy to clean, while synthetic rugs are budget-friendly and good for high-traffic areas. Another important factor is the color and pattern. If your room already has bold furniture or colorful walls, a neutral rug can balance the space. On the other hand, a patterned rug can add character and become a beautiful focal point in a simple room. Also consider the purpose of the room. For example, soft and plush rugs are perfect for bedrooms, while flatweave or low-pile rugs work better in dining areas where chairs need to move easily. Finally, always check the maintenance and cleaning requirements before buying a rug. A stylish rug should also be practical for your daily lifestyle. By choosing the right size, material, color, and style, you can easily find the perfect rug that enhances your home decor and makes your space more comfortable and inviting. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.